Hi, it's Duke Williams again, and thanks for taking a couple of minutes to learn how to do the Schedule of Hazards on the ACORD 126 Commercial General Liability section. So for each classification, you'll enter the location number as it appears on the first section, the ACORD 125 of this application. If you're using CapData ACORD, this will pull through automatically. The hazard number is assigned by the insurance company, so just let them fill this in and you leave it blank. In the box for classification and in the box for class code, you'll enter first the text description of the classification and second the ISO or AAIS class code. This is what makes most people nervous, so we're going to look at an automated lookup of these systems right now. What I'm showing you here is an online classification lookup. And the way this works, you might be using a book instead. As you type in a description or a partial description, we're going to put in electrical or electrician, I'm not sure which. And then it gives you the choices, and you scroll down to the one that best matches you. I think we're going to choose electrical contractors. And if you were in a book again, it's going to be in alphabetical order. You'll notice the 5-digit numeric code to the left of the description. The description goes in the description box, and the 5-digit code goes in the class code box. And that's all there is to it. Each different type of classification code has a different premium basis. And at the bottom of the Schedule of Hazards, there's a list which shows you it has sales can be it, payroll, area, total cost, etc. And you'll just put in the code that corresponds with this into the premium basis. In the exposure field, you'll put in the amount of the premium basis. So for instance, when you looked up the class code, if it said electrical contractors, the premium basis for that would probably be sales or completed operations cost. So you would put in sales of $100,000. If it was payroll, you'd put in $250,000 of payroll. If it was square feet, you'd put in how many square feet it was, and so on. For territory, you enter the rating territory for that state for that specific location. This is generally found in the state exception page of your classification manual. If you know the rates from previous policy, enter those rates here. If not, leave this blank. And if you know the premiums from a previous policy, enter those premiums here. If not, you can leave this blank. And finally, repeat these steps for each unique location and class code in this application. Well, thanks again for your time. Again, we've divided these up into sections so none is too long. Look at our other tutorials to find out how to fill out the other sections of this form or other forms. I'm Duke Williams with CapData ACORD. Thanks again.